In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix limits on Cash App. If you're experiencing limits on your Cash App account, then it is important to understand that the Cash App has certain limits in place to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your transaction. These limits might include sending and receiving limits, as well as limits on the amount of money you can hold in your Cash App account. To fix limits on your Cash App account, the first thing to do is to open your Cash App application and then make sure that you've verified your identity. From the main homepage of Cash App, after logging in, tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now select Personal from the options and then make sure that all of the information on this page are typed in correctly. You may also need to provide a photo of a valid government issued ID such as a driver's license. Once your identity is verified, your limits may be increased. Another thing is to look for linking a verified account to your Cash App. Make sure that the bank accounts that you've linked are verified well, which might also help in increasing your limits. Sometimes Cash App might place a temporary limits on your account for security reasons, so even after you have the verified linked bank accounts or even after you've verified your identity well, you might go through this limit issue. So in that case, all you can do is be patient and wait for the time limits to be lifted automatically after a certain period of time or after your account users is reviewed. Even after waiting for a sufficient amount of time, your limit is still not increased, then you can directly contact the Cash App support. Open up your Cash App application and go to the profile icon at the top right again, and from the Your Account page, scroll down and tap on Support. Select the issue that you are facing and follow the prompts to get in touch with Cash App support. For example, here let's pick the limits option, and you can select the fees and limits option from the list. It'll tell you everything that you need to know about the fees and the limits for your Cash App. If you want to increase your limit, then you can simply tap on the chat button at the bottom and then explain your situation and provide any necessary information or documents they might request, and they should be able to assist you in resolving the limits issue. You can type in any problem that you have in the text box at the bottom and then send it to the customer support so that they can help you resolve your limit issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Cash App limits issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.